Hey folks, welcome to step 4. I'm glad you've made it this far. So you've got your first Bitcoins and Ethereum and Litecoin, and you are ready to buy some other alternate coins that have piqued your interest. So I'm going to show you how to do that in this video, but before I do that, let's talk a little bit about some stuff you should know. Simply, there are lots of places to exchange the big three for alternate coins. I'm going to show you Binance because we've already set it up before. It's the one I use. It's really easy, and it has every altcoin that I've ever wanted to buy, and hopefully you find it just as useful. And it was easy to set up as well. So most of the other exchanges like Binance, they're not going to accept fiat currency. So you're going to need to already have bought Bitcoin, Ethereum. Probably they won't accept Litecoin. I don't think Binance trades Litecoin into other coins as well. So probably Ethereum and Bitcoin, I should say the big two you should have. So with that, I'm going to walk you step by step how to transfer your Bitcoin or Ethereum from GDAx to Binance, and then I'll show you how to trade for another coin. All right, let's get into it. Let's hop out of here, open up a web browser. You're going to want to go to your GDAx account and log in. All right, it's super easy. The next thing you need to do is log into your Binance account. So I'm going to go ahead and log into mine. Make sure it's me. All right. So for Binance, we're going to go into the funds app option up here at the top and hit deposits or withdrawals. And then what you're going to do is type in the kind of coin you're bringing into Binance. So if you're going to transfer some Bitcoin in here, you're going to pick Bitcoin, or Ethereum, you're going to pick Ethereum. So I'm going to do Bitcoin, so BTC. And now it's filtered it down, and look, it says deposit. So I'm going to hit deposit, and it gives me an address. And I'm going to hit copy on that address. All right. So now once you've hit the copy and you have the address, you go back into your GDAx account. You make sure you're on the currency that you want to sell. So we're going to switch it over to Bitcoin. And I can see how much Bitcoin I have right here under my balance. So I'm going to hit the withdraw button. And I don't want to withdraw from CoinBase. I want to withdraw to a Bitcoin address. So we just copied that address from Binance. So you're going to go ahead and Control V for paste. And what I like to do, I like to read the first two letters and the last two letters to make sure I've got the full thing in there. So I'm just going to check that real quick. Flip back to Binance. Okay, so it looks like it copied the whole thing. So the next thing you want to do is figure out how much Bitcoin you want to move over. So for some reason, everything in my head needs to be in dollars. So I will do a little calculation like I only want to transfer $500 worth of Bitcoin today. So I do 500 divided by the current price, which I can see right now is 14.7. So 14.740 is the current price. So that would be 0.033921 right there. So we're going to, oh, it went away. So 0.03392. 0.03392. And you can go to 8 decimal places. 13025. 13025. So how many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm too big, so we'll take 2 off. If you go more than 8 decimal places, it errors out. I also should have told you that when we were buying on GDAx. Only go down to 8 decimal places. If you put 9 or 10, it won't put in the order, and you'll probably be wondering why, and it's probably because you have too many decimal places. All right, so we've got the address in, we've got the amount in. The last thing we need to do is get an authentication code. So this is something, again, you've set up Google Authenticator, most likely. So you'll go to that app on your phone, and you'll go into Google Authenticator, and you'll look for the code that's called, it's the CoinBase code. I know you're in GDAx, but you look for CoinBase. So look up the code for this next 10 seconds or however long it is, and put that in before it expires. And once you do that, you hit withdraw funds, and it withdraws, and it tells you that it's withdrawn successfully. And now this is the scary part. It's withdrawn it from your GDAx account. And if you go over to Bitcoin or your Binance account right now, and you look at your balance, and we can refresh the page and look up Bitcoin. All right, you can see that my Bitcoin has not yet transferred. My balance hasn't changed yet. So this is the scary part. The first time you do this, you feel like it's in Bitcoin limbo, and you don't know where it's gone, and you're hoping it's going to get there, and you're not have faith it will come through. Bitcoin's slower than the other coins, so to be honest, if you knew you were going to buy altcoins, I would probably buy Ethereum and then transfer Ethereum over to Binance, because it will be a little bit faster. So I'm going to pause the video here, and I'll resume in a couple minutes when I get my Bitcoin, and I'll show you what to do next. All right, so my Bitcoin is now in my account. You can see it went up from 0.03 to 0.07. That took about, I want to say 30 minutes or so. I hit the pause button so you guys didn't have to wait with me. So don't get worried. It could take up to an hour or longer. Just go get yourself a snack, do some laundry or something, then come back to it.